Garage doors play a vital role in the daily operation of your home. That's why Easy Open Garage Door Company offers a variety of garage door repair services in the San Diego area. We will repair or replace your garage door opener, springs, track, hinges, panels, and cables to get your garage door running smoothly. If your garage door will not respond to your remote but will still open manually, you might be in need of opener repair. We provide battery replacement, remote replacement, and repairs for any make or model. When your garage door doesn't open or close properly, it might be time for spring repair. Watch out for loud snapping sounds, slow opening and closing, unsmooth operation, unbalanced rising and lowering, and snapped cables. Your garage door tracks can become bent over time, causing your garage door to go off track. Track repair or replacement is necessary when you see loose screws in your garage door, rust spots, or loose rollers. A broken garage door hinge can cause damage to other parts of your garage, making hinge repair a necessity. Hinges are designed to handle stress, but they can become damaged over time. Look out for wobbliness or missing screws. Garage door panels can develop wear and tear or dents over time, which can cause a bend in your track if not repaired. Our panel repair or replacement will improve both the function of your garage door and your home's curb appeal. Cable replacement is one of the most common repairs homeowners need for their garage doors. Signs of damaged cables include trouble winding around the garage door's drum, pulley damage, and a completely unwound cable. To avoid needing these repairs, it is important to conduct regular maintenance on your garage door. Easy Open Garage Door Company offers annual garage door maintenance to make sure your door is working optimally and catch any problems before they get worse. When you do run into damage, trust Easy Open Garage Door Company to provide the repairs or replacements you need. Request a quote for garage door repair in San Diego and surrounding areas.